What's up guys, I'm back and today I'm gonna talk about Huawei P30 and P30 Pro. As you guys might know, these devices gonna launch in Paris at 26th of March. But before that, I've got some important leaks about these devices and I guess everything you wanna know I've got in this video. So before moving to that one, you guys subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon so whenever I post a new video you will get the notification. First of all, we're gonna talk about similarities of both devices. As you guys know, these devices are from same origin, so they do have similarities. And moving to the front, you guys can see there is a single front facing camera, and this is 32 megapixel camera, and there is no other depth sensor like Huawei had before one. This time both devices are equipped with single front facing camera. Both devices are powered by Kirin 980 chipset. This is the latest from Huawei, and this is the same chipset that we got in Huawei Mate 20 Pro. And for the first time in the history of Huawei, I think you are getting IP68 water and dust resistance in Huawei P30 and P30 Pro. This is a good step and many of the consumers were asking about this thing. This time Huawei has given this to you. Both devices have triple camera setup and they do have similarities. The main camera sensor is 40 megapixel on both devices, but other cameras are not same. They are different. Both devices are based on Android Pie on top of UMUI 9.1, and this is also a similarity between them. And the last similarity between them, they both are equipped with OLED panels. So now we're gonna talk about differences among the both devices. Both devices have differences obviously. And moving to the front, Huawei P30 Pro has about 6.5-inch display and Huawei P30 has 6.1-inch display. Both have triple camera setup as I already told you, but the difference is Huawei P30 Pro has 20 megapixel wide angle camera and Huawei P30 has 16 megapixel wide angle camera. And there is 8 megapixel telephoto camera with f3.4 aperture on P30 Pro, but on P30 there is 8 megapixel with f2.4 aperture. So Huawei, in this case, Huawei P30 Pro has 10x hybrid zoom capability, contrast to the Huawei P30 2x zoom capability. Huawei P30 Pro has 8 GB of RAM along with 128 GB of internal storage, but there are other variants in the Huawei P30 Pro. They come with 256 and 512 GB of internal storage, but in Huawei P30 it only comes with 6 GB of RAM along with 128 GB of internal storage. Huawei P30 Pro comes with 4200 mAh battery, but Huawei P30 comes with 3650 mAh battery capacity. According to rumors, Huawei P30 could be priced about $900 and Huawei P30 be priced about $1000 or more than that. So that's for now, and if you like this video, give a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and I'll see you in the next one. Until then, peace out.